The US healthcare system is a horror story of ravaged lives. Medical debt is the single biggest reason for personal bankruptcy, attributed to more than 65% of all bankruptcies. We just saw Trump, the Republican Party, and the Democratic Party, all of them, completely sell out working and poor people over even the bare minimum of the Affordable Care Act enhanced tax credits. The ACA was never what working people needed. We need a universal free public healthcare system paid for by taxing the rich. But if the ACA enhanced tax credits are not renewed, the average costs of enrolling in the ACA will more than double next year and go up by a whopping 114%. It will also dramatically impact healthcare costs for everyone because of the massive strain it will create on healthcare infrastructure. This is disaster on top of disaster. There is huge anger at the billionaire and multimillionaire executives and shareholders of health insurance corporations and Big Pharma who are getting rich from denying coverage to people who desperately need it. Working people are ready to fight back. There is a historic opening to launch a serious fight to win free healthcare for all funded by taxing the rich, to take down the health insurance industry once and for all and begin ripping the profits out of the US healthcare system. We need independent militant movements. We need movements like those we built here in Seattle with my social city council office to win historic victories like the Amazon tax and the highest minimum wage in the country. That's why the members of Worker Strike Back have democratically voted to launch a free healthcare for all, tax the rich movement nationally, beginning with a ballot initiative campaign in Seattle. This is a ballot initiative for free public healthcare citywide in Seattle, including full coverage for all forms of healthcare, including dental, vision, abortion, and gender-affirming care, accessible to everyone regardless of immigration or citizenship status. This would be paid for by a $5 billion expansion of the Amazon tax, a tax on the city's wealthiest businesses that my fellow revolutionary socialists and I won in 2020, a tax that is currently raising hundreds of millions of dollars every year for affordable housing in Seattle. Alongside this, I am running in Washington State's 9th Congressional District as an independent anti-war pro-worker socialist against genocidal billionaire-backed Democrat Adam Smith. I have pledged that if I am elected, I will turn my congressional inauguration into a mass rally of 10,000 people in Washington, D.C. to launch national campaigns to fight to permanently end all U.S. military aid to Israel and win free healthcare for all funded by taxing the rich.